sweet custard coconut milk vermicelli pasta. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the sweet pasta recipes, and one of the most unique of the pasta recipes, one of the most easiest to make of the custard recipes, and one of the most healthiest of the pasta dinner recipes. Today we are going to make sweet custard coconut milk vermicelli pasta. The ingredients are around 15 grams of cashew, 15 grams of raisins, dry grapes, and 3 pods of cardamom, 150 grams of vermicelli pasta. Heat the pan and pour in 10 to 15 grams of clarified butter. Let the butter get heated. Spread the butter in the pan. Now put in the cashew. Salt. Salt the cashew in the butter until the cashew is golden brown. Take off the cashew. Put in the dry grapes or raisins into the clarified butter. Saute until the raisins become soft. Keep on sauteing. raisins have become puffed. Now these can be also taken off. Take off the raisins. Heat the pan and put in the cardamom. After taking the pods, salt and mix. Break the cardamom pods so that the seeds inside are nicely now put in the vermicelli. Salt and mix the vermicelli. Thoroughly salt and mix the vermicelli with the cardamom and the clarified butter. Thoroughly salt and mix. Keep on sorting and now 3/4 of the coconut milk. Thoroughly mix the vermicelli with the now put in the cashew nuts and the raisins. Mix thoroughly. Thoroughly mix the vermicelli with the coconut milk. And let it get heated. Put in a pinch of salt. Mix. Now put in 5 spoons of sugar. You can put in more or less as per taste. Thoroughly mix. Mix thoroughly. Pour in the rest of the coconut milk. Mix thoroughly. Now put in 2 spoons of custard powder. Into the remaining 100 ml of coconut milk. Mix thoroughly. Now pour in the custard coconut milk into the mixture. Mix thoroughly. Now let the mixture cook for 10 to 15 minutes. This is the final. Now the sweet custard coconut milk vermicelli pasta is ready. Now put in few cashew and raisins on top as toppings, and now it can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final sweet custard coconut milk vermicelli pasta, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the sweet pasta recipes, and one of the most unique of the custard recipes, and one of the most easiest to make of the pasta recipes, and one of the most delicious of the dinner recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.